Hey everybody, happy Monday. It's November 9th. Oh my goodness, we're in the second week of November. It's crazy pants. Okay, so what we're doing today, a lot of you actually have already done this, which is outstanding. We're very, very proud of those of you who have just jumped into Layout Pro and you decided to play around and experiment and insert pictures and artwork, and it may look kind of crazy, but that's okay, because that's what experimenting is, and that's what we want you guys to be doing right now. So, what you're going to be doing today, and this is going to be a grade, you are going to experiment on the practice page that you made last week. So by last Friday, you should have been logged into, over the course of last week, you logged into Yearbook Avenue. We created a practice page. Some of you started experimenting, which is outstanding. So I'm going to run through those instructions again verbally, and then I'm going to show you on my site as well, so you have that visual. So you're going to go to yearbookavenue.com, log in. Your job number is, or our job number is 49012. You're going to put in your username. Your S number is what your username is, but Garza's class, I didn't make it so that you have the S in there. So yours is just your ID number, no S. And then your 4x4 is your password. You're going to go into Create and then Layout Pro, and you're going to create a practice page, So it'll be File, New Practice Page, title it with your first and last name. Play around with the features in Layout Pro. We did that little quiz last week with those icons. It was pages, design, layers, flow, etc. Artwork, I think, was one of them as well. So you're gonna click around in those icons on the left of your page in Layout Pro, and we want you to just do stuff. These are practice pages. If we mess up on them, whatever. No big deal. We can delete stuff, okay? This is not the final draft that's going into the yearbook. So we want you to play around and get familiar with the program. So insert pictures, insert text boxes, insert art. Think about how you may want to group pictures and text boxes on a spread, and where you would place headlines, captions, feature stories, etc. Change the colors of the text and the artwork. Look at fonts. If you really want to start thinking about what stories you might want to cover and stuff like that, you're welcome to incorporate some of that if you have headlines in mind and topics in mind. So be as creative as you want. What we're looking for in terms of this grade is we want to see that you took the time to explore these features and that you made changes to your practice page. So if you just make your practice page, if you don't make a practice page at all and you don't participate, you guys know that's a missing, which is a 0. If you do make your practice page, you'll earn a 70, and then in order to get 100, we need to see that you played around on your practice page and tried some things. And when I say played around, I don't mean you just put a text box and a picture in and that's it. We really want you digging into this and trying different things, okay? Be as creative as you choose, but make sure you don't just insert one text box and one picture. Really actually buy into this activity and let yourself learn as you explore this site. It will help you so much as you start to create your templates for your spread design and everything as we move forward. Okay, so now let me show you guys. Oh, I was making masks earlier. Okay, let me show you guys how to get to that page again so you have a visual. Go not capitalize, I hate that, www.yearbookavenue.com. Our job number 49012. My username, oh my gosh, I can't type today, and my password. Let's go. Okay, so those of you who, in case, just a quick reminder, I know on that initial Yearbook Avenue scavenger hunt that we did, we wanted you guys to go to the cell menu and look at stuff under the cell menu. You don't have that. Your equivalent of that is right here on your main page, and it says, how are we doing? And it shows you how many spreads we have due, how much coverage we've gotten, and how many books we've sold. Okay, so just a quick reminder there. So to get to Layout Pro, you've logged into Yearbook Avenue. Go to Create, Layout Pro, and eventually, one day, this page will open. I might need to refresh. There we go. Okay, so right now I have a lot of your practice pages pulled up, which is great. Some of you who just have one page here, we're going to be working with you guys. We want it to look like a double page. Let's see, it's not letting me click around. We want it to be 2 pages, like we would be looking at the book when it's opened up. So we'll work with you if for some reason we need to switch up your practice page. If you've not made a practice page yet, you go to File, New Practice Page. You're going to put your name in there and click Save. I'm not going to do that because I already did once. Then you're going to click around to these different areas. Look at pages. You're not going to be looking at practice pages, but you can look at templates and themes and modules in terms of design. There's different images you can add. You can drag and drop images from your computer straight over here, which is super awesome. So that would mean, I can't show you on my iPad, but that would mean that you make your browser smaller, not to fill the whole screen, so that you can see your picture in another window and just drag it from your computer to this program. Super, super easy. Okay, you can add in some art, text, all sorts of stuff, y'all. Explore, create, make something amazing. I know you will. You guys are very, very creative, and what we've seen so far is awesome. Okay, and don't forget, when you're done, log out as per usual. And that is what you're doing. So make your practice page, play around on it, explore, and that's an easy, easy grade, and we're learning a lot. Yay! If you have questions, email Miss Garza or Miss Waters. Let us know what we can do to help you. We don't know what you need help with if you don't tell us. So let us know what you need. We're happy to help, and we hope you have an awesome day.